My bar mitzvah was a speech in English and Yiddish. It was non-traditional, not religious. It was a speech in English and Yiddish that I wrote about what it meant to be a young Jewish boy in America in, I don't know, whatever year it was, 68, middle of the Vietnam War, and I remember thinking about whether I would go to Canada or, and in the speech I talked about whether I would go to Canada or go into the war, go to the army if I was called up, or be a conscientious objector. And I remember saying that I couldn't be a conscientious objector because there are some times that whether or not we want to, we have to fight. Thinking about the Nazis, thinking about some of the horrible, there are times when you have to defend yourself. So I couldn't call myself a conscientious objector. I couldn't leave my country because I love America, even though I certainly see the ways that we can be improved. So I couldn't go to Canada, even though I have some good friends who did. I couldn't. I wouldn't go into the army because I thought they were fighting a immoral war. So I decided I would, if it came to it, I would probably end up going to prison. And, that was pretty heavy things to be thinking of as a 13-year-old. But that was the world that we grew up in,